There's a lot to love about our freshwater trout. They're a fabulous sport fish and very good on the plate. There's plenty of ways to cook one up, but a proven favourite is to hot smoke them, and it's got to be one of the easiest ways to cook these fish.
What I'm going to do with this fish tonight is hot smoke it. It's a process where you can cook it and flavour it with a beautiful wood flavour at the same time. To start with, I've butterfly filleted the fish. So I've cut it from the inside out, got rid of the rib cage and the backbone, laid out the fish. Now what I'm going to do, squeeze lemon juice all over it, rub in the brown sugar. The brown sugar takes away a little bit of the bitter edge that you sometimes get when you're smoking.
There are several options when it comes to heating your smoker. You can use methane burners, or if you're cooking at home like we are today, you can use the gas from your barbecue.
I'm going to cover the base of the smoker in mountain ash wood chips, fish in, turn it up on high for 10 minutes, turn it down low for 10 minutes, let it sit for a moment, and we're going to sit back, enjoy the fruits of a handy day's fishing.
It takes 5 minutes of prep and 20 minutes of cooking to produce a meal like this, and with a salad and a glass of wine, it's pretty damn hard to beat.